如果你想谢谢我的话，不用请我吃饭，给这个视频点个赞就好了。Hello everyone, welcome back to ShuoshuoChinese, 说说中文. I'm Shuo, your Chinese native speaking teacher living in Bangkok, Thailand. We always say thank you. 谢谢，谢谢。Of course, it's good to be polite. But there are so many great alternatives that you can use if you don't want to keep using the same thing again and again. I have made a whole video talking about the alternatives of the words we use every day. 谢谢，非常，很，etc. But today, let's switch sides. Let's talk about different ways to reply to thank you. 谢谢. The first phrase that we can use to reply to 谢谢 is 不客气. 不客气. It is the most common phrase in your textbook. 客 as in 客人 guest. 气 which means air is the vital energy or the circulating life force that Chinese people believe exists in our body. 不客气. Don't use the energy of a guest. Don't see yourself as a guest. Or don't be so polite. Now let's practice. 我说谢谢，你说不客气。谢谢。谢谢。Great. Another common phrase we use is 不用谢。不用谢。Or more simply, we can say 不用 or 不谢. They literally mean no need to thank me. 不用谢，不用，不谢 are more casual than 不客气. We often use them with our friends. 谢谢啊，不用谢. Another casual way to reply to 谢谢 is 没事。没事。谢谢啊，没事没事。Actually, not only 没事 is one of the most commonly used phrases to reply to 谢谢. We can also use 没事 in many other situations. 哎，你怎么了？没事。笑什么呀？没事。哎呦，你还好吧？没事没事。没事没事啊。And of course, between really close friends, we actually don't have to say anything, or we can say something different. 谢谢啊，谢我干嘛？谢谢啊，你神经病吧？谢谢啊。After talking about some useful phrases, let's see one phrase that many foreigners think is the response of 谢谢, but actually is not. And that phrase is 没问题. Huh? 没问题, no problem. Thank you, no problem. Sounds perfectly fine. But in Chinese, we only use 没问题 to reply to someone's request. 哎，我用一下你的车好不好？没问题。哎，我现在有点忙，我待会儿给你打回去啊。哦，好好，没问题。So if someone says 谢谢, we don't say 没问题. Instead, we can use 小事小事小事小事 to convey the same feeling. It's not a problem, no worries at all. Now let's continue with the proper replies of 谢谢. 应该的应该的 which means should. I just did what I should do. I just did what I was supposed to do. 昨天真谢谢你帮我带孩子。哎，没有没有，应该的应该的。哎，你真是帮了我大忙了。小事小事，应该的应该的。这是你要的资料。哎，谢谢你谢谢你啊。谢什么呀？同学之间互相帮忙是应该的。Notice that I also said something like 没事没事。没有没有，应该的应该的。小事小事，小事小事，谢什么呀？ 谢什么呀 You can randomly choose one of the phrases or freely combine two of them together to reply to 谢谢 as long as you say them in a natural way. 不客气，小事小事。谢什么呀？没事。哎，没，不用谢，不用谢。Okay, let's practice again. Just randomly choose one or two of the phrases here to respond me. 谢谢。太感谢了。多谢多谢。Next phrase is a bit more formal. 举手之劳。举手之劳。It is a Chinese 成语, which means what I did for you is as easy as lifting up my arms. No trouble at all. 哇，谢谢你帮忙，我才能找到这么好的房子。没有啦，不过是举手之劳而已。You need to notice that we usually only use 举手之劳 to describe what we gave to others. It could be a bit rude if you use this 成语 like this. 对不起，我真的不能帮你。啊，就是举手之劳，你就帮帮我吧。Because when we are asking others for help, it's inappropriate to assume that what they did for us was easy. When I was traveling in Taiwan, I noticed that people usually say 不会 to reply to 谢谢。
小姐，请问一下有没有卖半岛铁盒？
有啊，你从前面右转的第二排架子上就有了。
哦，好，谢谢。
不会。
哦，好，谢谢。
不会。
So if you're in Taiwan, feel free to use 不会 to reply to 谢谢。But if you're in mainland China, it will be a little bit weird to use 不会, or people will assume that 你是不是以前在台湾住过? If you're tired of serious answers, you can also reply to others 谢谢 with jokes. 上次的事谢谢你啦，没事，下次请我吃饭就好了。But you need to be really sure that the other person can get your joke. Otherwise, it might be a bit awkward. 哎，谢谢你啊，没事，下次请我吃饭就好了。好了。如果你想谢谢我的话，不用请我吃饭，给这个视频点个赞就好了。还有，别忘了订阅我的频道，打开小铃铛。我们下个视频见吧，再见。